Alright, here we have our air filters from Cocoauto, Amazon bestseller here for our 2019 Kia Sportage. These were sent to us actually as a free sample, so we're going to test them out, compare them to the factory filters that are coming out of this thing. So follow along. To remove the factory engine air filter on these Kia Sportages, pretty simple. Pop your cover, flip your tabs down, and pull her out. And as you can see, this is in pretty bad need of replacement here. We're sitting at around 96,000 miles on this car. So let's go ahead and get our air filter out of our box here. Looks darn near about the same filter. Feels really good quality. Same fresh clean filter. I'm gonna say that's our part number right there. Go in, slide her in. Flip our tabs up. Simple as that. Shut the door. Bang. These kits from these guys here, they come with both your engine air filter and your cabin filters at a pretty decent price. So we will get to removing this cabin filter. A few steps in here. Cabin filter got two plugs here that insert into the side of the glove box here that hold it in place, and support arm here that you just have to pop off. Pulls down, and the door here, it's got a tab there, and then it just pops in. You just squeeze the two tabs, pull it right out. Alright, there's our old one. We'll go grab our new one and swap them out. On these, it's pretty important to pay attention to your airflow. So I just set my one on the seat, check my one back here. Airflow arrow is down. Let's slide that out. Oh yeah, it definitely is due. Alright, going in with the Cocoauto filter. Arrow down just like the one we pulled out. Boom, in place. We'll put our cover back on. Flip our glove box up, attach our little arm here, and then put these back in. You just got to pick it up a little bit, and they just twist into place. And then we can put all our stuff back that we had to take out. Overall, we're pretty happy with this kit here from Cocoauto. I definitely recommend, especially they offer them at a really good price, and you get both filters that typically you should replace pretty often to maintain optimum performance in your vehicles. We will leave the links down below to the filters for this one, and we also have the air filter and cabin filter for my 2010 Dodge Ram with the 4.7. That video will be featured later. Just want to thank these guys at Cocoauto one last time before we end our video here. Thanks for sending us these free samples. We're going to put them to good use, and we look forward to working with these guys in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.